The Eat Well Guide. What is the Eat Well Guide? The Eat Well Guide shows the proportion in which different types of foods are needed to have a well-balanced and healthy diet. The proportions shown are representative of your food consumption over the period of a day or even a week, not necessarily each meal time. Who is the Eat Well Guide intended for? The Eat Well Guide applies to most people regardless of weight, dietary restriction, preference, or ethnic origin. What are the groups the Eat Well Guide is divided in? The Eat Well Guide divides the foods and drinks we consume into 5 main groups. Try to choose a variety of different foods from each of the groups to help you get the wide range or nutrients your body needs to stay healthy and work properly. When using the Eat Well Guide, you can use the Eat Guide to help you make healthier choices whenever you're deciding what to eat at home, cooking, or shopping. For groceries, eating out in a restaurant, coffee and canteen, choosing food on the run, and to fill your trolley with a healthy balance of different types of food. What are the specific recommendations for each group? To eat at least 5 portions of a variety of fruits and vegetables each day. A portion is 18 or any of these: 1 apple, banana, pears, orange, or the similar seed fruits, 3 heaped tablespoons or vegetables, a dessert bowl of salad, 30 grams of dried fruits, contain a maximum on 4 portion day. Carbohydrates: base your meals around starchy carbohydrate foods. These foods are source of protein, vitamins, and minerals, so it is important to eat some foods from this group: beans, pulse, fish, eggs, meat, and other protein. Oil and spreads: choosing lower fat spread as opposed to butter is a good way to reduce your saturated fat intake. What about the daily hydration? Aim to drink 6 to 8 glasses of fluid everyday water. What about food labeling? Food labels can help you to choose between foods and to pick those that are low in calories, fat, saturated fat, sugar, and salt. Where color-coded labels are used, you can tell at a glance if they are high, medium, or low in fat, saturated fat, sugars, and salt. For a healthier choice, try to pick products with more greens and ambers and fewer red. How many calories per day a person over 11 years old need? 11 and over males, 2,005 kilocalories. Females, 2,000 kilocalories.